Oh, okay.
Yo, boys.
What's up, Darren? Alright, everybody. We got brake clean. We got some brake clean. Alright, well.
Don't you fucking spray that in me.
This is this is the new Mountain Critter Fab YouTube channel. This is our new build. We just got a nice Cherokee last night, a 2-door. We
10 seconds later.
Oh boy. Uh-oh.
She broke. It was worth it. Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
5 minutes later.
Oh, we're on fire! We're on fire, boys! Oh, look at all this smoke! I can't. Oh, shit! We cut it up a little bit, stuffed some 33s, took the front fenders off. We mean business out here at Mountain Critter. Oh boy. We're gonna go take her in the woods in a little bit and keep you all tuned. Right now, we're in the middle of doing a thermostat. Well, actually, thermostat delete kit.
Thermostat delete kit.
Take that sucker right out of there and just put it all back together without it.
Optimal cooling.
Optimal cooling. This thing was it's all stuck, welded together. Overheated it to like about as hot as it'll possibly go.
Over.
Oh, it died.
It died? No, it's still recording.
Oh, it is? How come I don't have my screen? I can't see what I'm doing.
It is. Oh, it's power saving mode.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're not putting that.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're new to this, everybody. So, yeah. So let's see what we can get done here. All right, everybody. Got a new ground for the battery. Thermostat's on, all ready to go. Well, actually, thermostat housing is on. There is no thermostat because those are absolutely useless. And we are wiring a switch for the auxiliary fan because we already know it's going to overheat. We're going to try and keep it nice and cool.
And then we gotta
see what we can do.
for this.
Then we have to wire a switch for the heat.
That's pretty good. Pretty damn good.
Get some heat going so we're not freezing out there when we break in the trails like we already know is going to happen. We got, all right, let's see what we got to do. We still got to adjust linkage for the transfer case so we can get it to go in a 4-wheel. Yeah. Weld the diff. We're going to weld the diff on the back of it with the old Dana 35. So 33s, Dana 35. We already know where that's going to go. Probably explosion.
Fire. Maybe.
Fire, hopefully. Fluid everywhere, but it'll be fun. It was well worth the old $300. Fan has been wired. Let's see. Sean, get in there and see what she does. If you see, you got the switch right there. Turns the fan on. Sean, turn it off. Now it's off. Wired it right to the radio, constant power. We are ready to take it to a ride.
Get some food.
We're gonna go get some food. Probably do a little hooning on the way back. Depends how rowdy Sean's feeling. Oh, and everybody, look at this. I got a nice ashtray for my Jeep because mine's broke. And I'm more excited about this than everything else because fuck that thing. But look, I also got this piece for the dash for the trip. I'm excited.
Fucking lame. Just burping her just a little bit.
Give it to her.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I hate you guys.
No spillage. Oh. Oh yeah.
You guys are the worst.
Oh yeah. You know, we out here.
Stuck in
Not
here.
spilling things. I'm trying not to.
That's the bucket. So we got a
cut
little spillage here.
We're gonna have to cut out all the cuss words here. So we don't get monetized.
Nah, fuck it. It's a rated R show, boys. Look at this cable, guys. Look at that fucking action. Right there. Oh yeah, with all those burrs, you gotta deburr that.
No.
Don't want anyone getting a rusty cut.
Have the cutters?
Yep, right here.
The cutters and the crimper. This is gonna work.
Action shots.
Damn.
Alright, you guys ready?
Like
Yeah, let's
butter. Easy? Yeah, we're rubbing that. Alright, boys, you just ate. We're about to rip the bitch.
Oh no! The hatch!
That ain't gonna close.
Don't close.
Fuck it.
Oh, make sure my pump don't fall out. That's my mom's pump. She killed
Pump.
the little round pump. Put it up front. Is it safe? Is it safe?
Yeah, it's safe enough.
Okay, good.
Ain't going no.
Enough. Bitch.
She's asking for it, Sean. She wants this. She wants this meat, man.
Alright, boys.
Oh boy.
This is when the trouble starts.
I don't even give a fuck if we get
We're gonna get stuck like the first 2 feet.
It's gonna get so cool. It's gonna be so cool. I'm not getting out. I'm not helping. Oh, jump. Is my pump still back there? Is the pump in there? What do you mean no? Where'd it go?
The pump's not there.
What do you mean the pump's not there?
What pump? What are you talking about?
Oh, my mom's gonna be pissed.
Jump it.
Holy shit.
We lost everything.
We're heating. It's not even getting hot.
I'm still hanging on.
I didn't even
Get it.
think.
Stop.
I wasn't even paying attention to the freaking
No, that's good.
temperature.
Damn, I should fucking do that next time I get a Jeep. Just fucking take out the thermostat.
We got it.
What does
Yeah.
it look like?
Bring it up in the front seat. Yeah.
It's probably extra from.
We just took it for a ride.
We jumped the bitch.
We jumped it. I think we got it on video, did we?
Yeah, we did get it.
Yeah, we did. All right, we'll put it up. Now it's time to weld the diff because spinning one tire is no fun.
That's right.
Nope. So weld the old diff. Figure out why it doesn't go into four-wheel drive and wire in
I got plenty of wire. What color?
the
Green or red?
heat.
Red.
Wire in the what the fuck is that thing? Heat mode. What's that thing called again? The fucking heat blower motor. The blower motor.
You got a blower.
All right.
Alright.
Hey. That says it. Nobody rides for free. All right. Well, I don't even know what to do. Goodbye. All right, everybody. I just cut a couple pieces of, I guess like C-channel. Cut it up. Got the diff opened up.
See that? Try and get it as good as we can get right here.
Now, what we're gonna do is you're gonna take this piece, put it right in there, just like that. If I can do it right now. hold them all together, weld the spiders together, and we're spinning both tires. To be, I guess, the basic way. We're making moves. Just figured I'd show you guys all while it's open. All right, later guys. All right, Darren. What'd you do in here, Darren?
So, the heat switch is broken. So what I did was I went through the firewall, had this hot wired to the blower motor, and then took this wire, plugged it back into the radio, but that didn't work because of too much amperage, because we have the accessory fan on that shit too, so it went boom. So what I did is I went to the fuse panel, found the actual blower motor fuse, fucking wrapped around a little bit of the wire on the fuse, shoved that bitch right back in. Now if I plug it in like that, give me a second, put it in like that, grab the key,
Put the key in.
key in, get the ignition going. Nothing. I fixed it. So I pulled on the wire too hard, and the fuse kind of came off.
You pulled that some bitch
But-
right out. Let's show him. Let's give him the fuse.
So, you see right over there, see this red wire going? Hold on, now you can see. The little red wire going into the blower thing. Wow, this is shitty lighting, but right there, that's a 25 amp fuse. Should be able to take it because it was actually meant for the fucking blower. So now we'll grab the key, put it on the key on the ignition, and then if you want heat, the light over here. If you want heat, oh yeah, oh yeah, that stinky ass air. It's pretty professional, and gotta have them fucking sour cream and onion chips for the good days of work. Now this guy is fucking welding the motherfucking diff. We're all about that two-wheel peel. Yeah.
Always spinning both of them.
Ten seconds later.
We already know where that's gonna go. Probably explosion.
Fire. Maybe.
Fire, hopefully. Well guys, a little late, but we lit her on fire. Oh, I was underneath it and got sprayed with the fire extinguisher.
I sprayed it.
Oh my god. Dude, my mouth is like wet. I feel like wet in my lungs. Oh my god, dude. Holy.
That was scary.
That was actually very scary. I was underneath watching the fire the whole
The
time.
fire
I was like,
literally
shit.
underneath the gas tank. and then the towel caught on fire.
Ah, it tastes sweet.
Yeah, I know. Dude, I felt that in my lungs right after Darren sprayed it. I was like, oh no.
That was interesting.
Oh man, look at that honey over there. Hello. We're so close. So close.
So close.
All right, back to work.
Half a bag of weed. I can't do it like I did when I was a kid.
All right, everybody, what we did is, see, this vacuum actuator sits over here, and you put the C-clamp on this side. See, the C-clamp goes right there. C-clip, same fucking thing. Goes right in there, and now you take that out, slide the fork over this way, put the C-clip right there. Now you're locked. Four-wheel drive. Won't come in or out anymore. That's the way to do it, boys. Clean her off a little bit.
Way to do it.
All right, everybody. Today we have finished the aux fan switch. We did the heater, the blower motor switch. We cut the fenders out a little more because we were rubbing a little bit. We welded the rear axle, figured out the transfer case, messed with the vacuum actuator, so now it's locked in four-wheel drive instead of the bullshit with the vacuum lines. What else did we do? I'm confused. Oh yeah, we had a fire. That's always fun. Now we're just finishing up with trying to figure out how to get this hatch to work because it doesn't close.
Now
it's a cool hat. Look at that. It does?
Yeah, we just gotta open it from the inside.
That's fine. Oh, look at that. All right.
Oh, where's the sour cream and onion chips? Grab that.